Hi guys, my name is Vlad and today I want to show you how to create a nice logo in Adobe Illustrator. Start by writing the name. For this, I'll be using one of my premium fonts, Pinot handwritten font. You can find the link to it in the description below. To add a special touch to the logo, I'm using some alternative letters by choosing them from the Glyphs panel or in Open Type panel by clicking on Stylistic Alternates. This is a matter of taste, so feel free to use whatever you like. Next, I'm adding a slight angle to the text. For this, I'm gonna be using Free Transform tool from the toolbar or press E on the keyboard. For the next step, I'm going to create a circle, and with the Type on a Path tool, I'm adding the name of the city where the restaurant is. Let's say New York City. Change the font to Bebas. Rotate it so that it is in the upper side. Change the font size and increase the spacing between the letters to 500. I also want to have some text under the name. For this, I am copying the New York City text and paste it in the same position with Shift, Command V on the keyboard. Rotate it 180 degrees and move it just a little bit lower so that the name is centered between the two texts. To flip the text, go to Type, Type on a Path options, select Flip and change the alignment to a sender. Then change the text to restaurant. I want to add some extra text to it to have more details. For this, with Type tool, type Fish and Chips, change the font size and place it below the name. I'll arrange the text a little bit so everything fits in well. For more details, duplicate the fish and chips, select the text and hold Alt on the keyboard while moving the text. Change the text to USA and once again duplicate and type TRD. Select all except USA and TRD texts. Group them by pressing Command D. Go to Align, select the option Align to Artboard in the right lower corner and then align it to the vertical center. For aligning the USA and TRD texts, start by grouping them and then align them to vertical center. I want to be sure that optically everything is properly aligned, so I am adding some guidelines and moving USA and TRD till everything is centered. I'm moving around the text to ensure that overall everything fits in nicely. This can already be used as a logo, however, to spice it up, I'll make it look like a sign. First thing we have to do now is to expand the text. Select text, right-click and create outlines. Duplicate the name and move it next to the logo. Apply a very thick stroke to it. Go to Stroke and change the settings to Round Cap and Round Join. If you want to, you can further increase the stroke size. Expand the text and press Unite on Pathfinder panel. Next step is to add a color and place it in the logo under the existing name by pressing Command and left square bracket. I would like the logo to be on a dark background, so for that I am adding a dark blue color and I am sending it to the back by pressing right click, arrange, send to back. Select all the logo elements and change the color to white. Next, I am adding a 3D effect to the name's background by copying it and pasting it in place with Shift-Command-V on the keyboard. Move it slightly to the right and down and change the color to a darker orange. Do the same thing with the name, but change the color to black and set the opacity to 20%. By doing this, the name will stand out more. To add a really nice effect of glow, select the name and go to Effect, Stylize, Outer Glow. Set the mode to Screen and the color to a light orange and press OK. Select all logo elements and change the color to a light yellow. Adjust the space between the texts. I feel that the size of the seafood could be a little smaller, so I am changing it a little. This is the final design. I hope you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you!